Chevrolet just did something that became a rare thing in today's market. They actually listened to complaints owners had about compact SUVs and fixed them. If you're tired of choosing between style and practicality, or paying thousands extra just to get basic features like heated seats and blind spot monitoring, this crossover finally gives you everything without the usual compromises. While most automakers are stripping down their base models and jacking up prices, Chevrolet loaded the Equinox with premium tech, impressive safety systems, and genuine value that makes competitors look overpriced. Attractive design. When shopping for a compact SUV, you shouldn't have to pull up in something that looks like every other crossover on the block. The 2026 Equinox proves you don't have to sacrifice style for substance. This crossover looks notably more expensive than its actual sticker price suggests, and when people ask what you paid, they won't believe the number. The exterior showcases strong lines paired with a confident stance that gives the Equinox a presence typically reserved for vehicles costing thousands more. LED lighting comes standard across the lineup, adding that premium touch you'd expect from luxury brands. The rear spoiler complements the athletic profile, while an active grille shutter quietly improves fuel efficiency. Each trim brings its own personality. The LT features chrome accents for a refined look. The Active embraces a rugged off-road aesthetic with a black grille and available roof rails, ideal if weekend adventures are part of your routine. The RS delivers a sportier look with its unique black grille and body color lower bumper trim. Blackout mirrors, moldings, emblems, and badging complete the RS's athletic stance for drivers who want something with more attitude. But if you think the exterior is impressive, wait until you see where Chevrolet really went to work. Stylish and well-built interior. Too many affordable crossovers feel cheap the moment you sit down with hard plastics everywhere. The Equinox doesn't just impress on the outside, it continues to deliver once you open the door. This cabin looks modern and feels substantial. Build quality stands out as genuinely impressive for the class, with materials that feel durable rather than disposable. Front passengers get around 40 inches of headroom and 40.9 inches of legroom, making the space comfortable even if you're over 6 feet tall. The rear section doesn't disappoint either, with approximately 39.2 inches of headroom and 39.9 inches of legroom, so your adult passengers won't be complaining on longer trips. Move up to the Active and you'll find Evotex and suited microfiber seating, materials that look upscale without the maintenance headaches of genuine leather. The RS features synthetic leather seating with distinctive red accents. Nobody likes getting into a freezing cold vehicle on winter mornings. That's why heated front seats and a heated steering wheel come standard on the LT trim, features that used to cost extra on most competitors. The Active includes a clever center console design with a pass-through configuration that keeps your phone and coffee exactly where you need them. Dual-zone automatic climate control on Active and RS trims means you and your passenger can finally stop arguing about the temperature. One significant update for this model year is that the drive mode selector now comes standard across all trims. Now, when conditions change from dry pavement to rain or snow, you can adapt the vehicle's behavior with a simple turn of a dial. And that's just the beginning. The real surprise is what Chevrolet decided to include as standard equipment. Impressive list of standard features. Every Equinox comes standard with a user-friendly 11.3-inch infotainment touchscreen. This system incorporates Google built-in with voice commands. So instead of taking your eyes off the road, you can just say where you want to go. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility comes standard too, which means no more fumbling with charging cables. The 11-inch digital instrument cluster shows everything from your speed to turn-by-turn navigation exactly where you need to see it. The safety equipment is where things get really impressive. Chevrolet Safety Assist is standard equipment and includes over 15 features that actively work to prevent accidents. Automatic emergency braking can stop the vehicle if you haven't reacted to an imminent collision, potentially avoiding thousands in repairs or worse. Adaptive cruise control handles the tedious work of maintaining speed and distance on highway drives. Blind spot intervention monitors your blind spots and warns you of approaching vehicles before you make that lane change. Front and rear cross-traffic alert helps when you're backing out of parking spaces and can't see around the vehicles next to you. The fact that all these features come standard rather than buried in expensive option packages sets the Equinox apart. You're not paying extra for peace of mind, it's already included. But here's the thing, all that technology won't help if there's nowhere to put your stuff. Generous passenger and cargo space. Here's a common frustration with compact SUVs. They promise versatility, but then force you to choose between passenger comfort and cargo space. The Equinox delivers on both fronts. This crossover comfortably seats 5 adults without anyone drawing straws for who has to squeeze into the back seat. Behind the rear seats, you'll find 29.8 cubic feet of cargo space, which easily swallows a week's worth of groceries or all the sports equipment your kids need. Fold down the flexible rear seats and cargo capacity expands dramatically to 63.5 cubic feet, enough room for furniture from the store or everything you need for that weekend getaway. The cargo area is well designed without awkward angles eating into space. Picture this: you're at the grocery store with your hands full of bags trying to dig out your key fob. That's why the hands-free AutoSense Power liftgate is such a smart addition. Just walk up to the back with the key in your pocket and the liftgate opens automatically. It's one of those features you don't think you need until you have it. So the space is there, but it's completely useless if the engine can't keep up with traffic or drains your wallet at the gas station. Powertrain and performance. Under the hood, every 2026 Equinox gets a turbocharged 1.5-liter 4-cylinder engine producing 175 horsepower. Front-wheel drive models generate 184 pound-feet of torque and power with a continuously variable transmission. All-wheel drive models step up to 203 pound-feet of torque, which you'll appreciate when merging onto busy highways or passing slower traffic. The all-wheel drive setup also gets an advanced 8-speed automatic transmission that responds more quickly to throttle inputs. Is this the fastest crossover on the market? No, but here's what matters. The all-wheel drive Equinox reaches 60 miles per hour in approximately 8.6 seconds, which keeps you right with traffic flow. What buyers actually care about is how the vehicle feels during normal driving. And the Equinox delivers a comfortable ride that doesn't beat you up on rough pavement. Let's talk about what really hits your wallet every week: fuel costs. The Equinox delivers impressive efficiency with front-wheel drive models achieving 26 miles per gallon in the city and 28 on the highway. All-wheel drive models return 24 miles per gallon city and, surprisingly, 29 miles per gallon highway. That higher highway number with all-wheel drive compared to front-wheel drive is unusual because typically all-wheel drive systems cost you at the pump. With a 14.8-gallon fuel tank, the all-wheel drive model can travel up to 429 miles on the highway. Efficiency comes from smart engineering. Variable valve timing, direct injection, and automatic stop-start work together to squeeze every mile out of each gallon. Towing capacity sits at 800 pounds for front-wheel drive models and 1,500 pounds with all-wheel drive, adequate for a small trailer, motorcycles, or that jet ski you've been wanting to take to the lake. Now here's where it gets interesting. With everything we just covered, you'd expect this to cost a fortune. Trim levels and pricing. The 2026 Equinox lineup keeps things straightforward with 3 distinct trim levels so you're not overwhelmed trying to figure out which of 8 different versions you need. The LT starts at $29,995 for front-wheel drive or $31,995 with all-wheel drive. Even in this base form, the LT comes loaded with that 11.3-inch infotainment screen, 11-inch digital instrument cluster, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, and the full Chevrolet Safety Assist package. Both the Active and RS start at $34,395 with front-wheel drive or $36,395 with all-wheel drive. This means your decision comes down purely to which style fits your life better. Spend weekends on trails? The Active, with its all-terrain tires, makes sense. Prefer something sharper around town? The RS, with its blackout styling, is your choice. Both add wireless phone charging, upgraded seating materials, and additional convenience features. The Midnight Edition package offers another option for LT buyers. This package adds high-gloss black mirror caps, exclusive 19-inch black wheels, black roof rails, and black grille, badging and bow ties for a cohesive blacked-out look. So there you have it. The 2026 Chevrolet Equinox really does solve the complaints that have frustrated compact SUV buyers for years. You get generous space for passengers and cargo, solid fuel economy that won't drain your wallet, adequate performance for daily driving, and pricing that starts under $30,000 while including heated seats, dual digital screens, and comprehensive safety technology right from the base model. Chevrolet listened to what buyers actually wanted: a well-rounded vehicle that makes sense financially and practically, and the Equinox delivers exactly that. But the competition is tough and many rivals are coming significantly updated for the next year, starting from the all-new Kia Sportage you can check out in our next video. If you're looking for an ultimate value in the segment, Sportage is likely the one. It's luxurious, loaded with standard equipment, and available with 3 solid engine options.